Welcome back. I'm Rajesh, a motivational speaker and agriculture student. In this channel, you can see about all updated knowledge of all subjects of agriculture, traditional culture, technical education, and motivational speech, etc. In this video, we will discuss about chapter 6 of extension education and community development. Let's start our class. Then chapter 6 is basic sociological concept. What is it? Basic sociological concept. Meaning and concept of rural sociology, and it is in Nepali form. Have to be understand. What is these topics? Next, first topic is meaning and concept of rural sociology. First, rural sociology is the sociology of rural life in the rural environment. It studies the human relationship in rural environment. It also studies the life of rural population of rural social organization and social process. It is a rural society. Thus, rural sociology studies the social interaction institutions that take place in rural society. It studies the rural social organization structure and step up. It provides us the knowledge about rural social phenomena. Next topic is importance of rural society. Then the first is the practical value of the study of rural society is so widely recognized today. As long as the village and the rural sociology assume importance, the rural sociology shall continue to acquire importance. The value of rural sociology can be understood by following points. At first, rural population is in majority. Next is stimulate relationship between land and human. Next is village and rural life forms and source of population. Next is physiological approach to the rural life. And if you need to description about on this fourth importance here included, then you have to learn and write can also. Next topic is concept and definition of different sociological terminology. At first is society. Society is the group of people in more or less permanent association who are organized for their collection activities and who feel that they belong together. Society is that they belong together. Society is characterized by patterns of relationship, social relationship between individuals who share a distinctive culture and institution. The term societas, which means a bond or interaction between friends or companions. Second is culture. Culture is the body of thoughts and knowledge, both theoretical and practical, which are mainly Kant's possesses. It is an accumulation of thoughts, values, and objects. It is a social strategies acquired by us from preceding generation through learning as distinguished from the biological heritage which is passed on to us automatically through the genes. Culture is the total of man's efforts to adjust himself to his environment and to improve his mood of living. Then the third is social process. Fourth is community, and here differences between rural community and urban community. Here includes some descriptions and the differences also, and you have to learn, and it is very important for exam point of view. Fifth is social organization, and this is the characteristics of social organization. Sixth, social institution. Seven, family. This is the types of family, and what is the family and definition and its types are included here, and you have to write it. Types of family, and first on the basis of authority, patriarchal family and matrilineal family, and its definition are included here. Matrilineal family on the basis of structure, nuclear family and extended family. Nuclear means what? Single family which has husband, wife and children only, and extended or joint family consider more members. On the basis of residence, matrilocal and patrilocal. Next is on the basis of marriage, monogamous, polygamous, polyandrous. Monogamous means in this type of family one man marries with one woman only at one time. Polygamous in the kind of family one man marries many women at a time. Polyandrous in this type of family one man marries many men and lives with all of them or with each other of them alternatively. Next is on the basis of ancestry, matrilineal family, patrilineal family. Next is on the basis of in group and outgroup, endogamous family, exogamous family. Next is on the basis of blood relationship, conjugal family, consanguine family, and these are it. And next is differences between matrilineal and patrilineal family. These differences are included here. And the seventh is marriage, and its definition, meaning, and other importance are included here. Next, types and forms of marriage are polyandry and polygamy. 9 is association. An association is a group of people organized for a particular purpose or a limited number of purposes. Next, 10th is social norms. Norms are established behavior patterns for the members of a given social system. 11 is values. Values are defined as a conception of desirable as a standard of evaluation as guide or decision of performance. 12 is beliefs. Belief refer to the what people believe or accept to be true, what people can trust. And this is example. And 13 is role. Role is the behavior means is expected of a person. 14 is a status. A status refers to the honor or prestige accorded to a role in the society. And there are two types of status: first achieved status, second is ascribed status. And 15 is caste. Caste is the dominant social institution permitting social and economic relation. It is a social class membership which is determined by birth and involves particular customary instructions and privilege. And 16 is power. Power is the ability of an individual to control other. Power is an element used for controlling. 17 is social custom. 18 is socialization. 19 is social stratification. 20 is social structure. 21 is social group. 22 is position. 23 is prestige. 24 is ethnicity. And 25 is religions. And that's at all. And all concepts, importance, definitions, and descriptions are included there. And the basic sociological concepts include at first importance are social mobilization. Social mobilization is the primary stage of community development for recovery from conflict and disasters. It allows people to think and understand their situation and how to organize and initiate action for their recovery with their own initiative and creativity. Next is sociology. Sociology is the youngest of all the sciences. The word sociology is derived from the Latin word societas, meaning study or science. In other words, sociology is the study of men's behaviors in group or of interactions among human beings or the social relationship and the process by which human activity take place. Next is importance of sociology. And importance of sociology is very important for exam point of view, and it is you have to learn it. First, sociology makes the scientific study of society, and these are the 10 importance of sociology. Next topic is importance of rural development. First, it is the basis for local development of the community. Next, it provides courage to change their skill, attitude, and behavior. Next, it increases participation of women, youth, and the school for dropouts. Next, it provides self-help for more improving agricultural, livestock, and living conditions, etc. It provides knowledge for effective utilization of given fund NGOs for betterment of community. Next topic is major problems and issues of rural community development, and it is important. Next is importance of sociology. Next topic is difference between role and status, and it is have to knowledge point of view. You have to write it or learn it. Next topic is caste system in Nepal. The Nepalese caste system is a complex and continuous traditional system of social satisfactions of Nepal. This custom was previously only preventing society of caste Newar Madesi. However, since the unification of Nepal in 18th century, Nepal's various indigenous tribes to be incorporated within the caste hierarchical level. Nepal caste system broadly borrows the classical Chautar Varnashram model consisting of 4 bold social classes of Varna means Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra. The ethnicity indigenous group do not belong to the caste system, and this is the function of this caste system. First Brahman, next Kshatriya, next Vaisya, next Sudra, and next is Achyuteval. And that's how our topics are finished here. If you want to take more notes and knowledge on this field, please like and subscribe my channel for motivate me to upload more videos. If you have any problem or doubt on this subject or out of this subject, you can comment on comment box. As soon as possible I will reply. If this video is essential for other friends, then share this video and never miss to like and subscribe and share. Your friend Rajesh Jha.